Hey y'all. All right, excuse my voice if she's sounding a little raspy. She goes through phases. Okay, so I'm just spraying my hair down with some water. I believe that may be a water and aloe vera juice mix in that continuous mist spray bottle. And then I am just going in with this Mielle Organics pomegranate and honey, I believe, leave-in conditioner. This is the leave-in conditioner I always use. And my hair is freshly washed at this point. If you can't tell by the shrinkage, okay, 4C gang gang, stand up where you at. So I'm just separating my hair from the front to the back, trying to get the front part to be the up part of this half up, half down style we're going to be doing. And I just start off roughly with my hands just to map out the area. If you try to go in with a comb on 4C here, you're going to be upset, honey. You're going to be crying, and then you're going to quit. So don't do that. Start with your hands. Your hands are the best tools, and then define with a comb. Okay, so as you can see, I go back and forth between the comb and really getting in with my hands, and the comb just kind of helps me make the part a little straighter. Now, my scalp was extra irritated because, yeah, girl, something I was using in my hair as far as my shampoo, she don't like that. And now we know we're not using that again. But anyways, now the part is straight as we gonna get it. And I define it a little bit more as we go, but it doesn't have to be perfect because the half wig is gonna cover any of the cricket part near the very top of your head. So nobody's gonna be able to see that. You really want the sides to be as straight as they can be. But the top part, if it's not all the way super duper straight, it's okay. So then I went in with this curling custard by Mielle, and then I'm also using the mint almond oil by Mielle, just putting that on my scalp. And then another Mielle product. Okay, my hair likes Mielle products. This is not sponsored, none of that. I bought all of this with my own coin. But that's the honey ginger styling gel. And here I am redefining the part again, like I mentioned earlier. And I just put that gel on top of everything else. Now, at the time I'm filming this, I have done this hairstyle again, and I can see kind of where I went wrong. This was my first time doing this, so although I was super duper proud of myself, I definitely see what else I needed to do the second time around. So hindsight is 2020. The first time is always a learning curve. But the second time I didn't use as much as the honey ginger because it has a lot of glycerin, which is great for the hair, but if you're trying to get the gels and stuff to cooperate and really stick, it's going to be a little difficult and a slip and slide. So I'm just brushing all of that hair up once I added my maximum hold styling snot. And then I sprayed a little bit more water because my hair is thirsty. She's a thirsty gal, all right? And then I'm just creating this twist in the front. So using my hands and just chunky twisting it, and we're going to kind of seal it at the ends with some of that honey ginger, and then I'm going to wrap it around to create like a ball on top of my head. That's what's going to hold the bun portion of the half up, half down. So then I kind of go in and I was creating some edges. Oh, girl, this was a struggle. And then here I am creating the ball with a smaller elastic band. Okay, now we got to tackle the bike. And so I just put the same products in the back of my hair that I did in the front and just working that in. And this is the thickest part of my hair, so it just took me a little while. Don't rush, especially if it's your first time, okay? So as you can see, I got some twists going. I'm going to go ahead and do one side of my head is completely finished. As you can see, juicy twist. And then I'm just showing you how I did the twist on the other side. So with this also, I didn't have the right kind of gel. And since then, since I've done this style again, I went and bought the Kiss, I think it's the Edge Tamer, or the Kiss gel that Sweetie was endorsing, honey. I bought it in the pineapple scent on maximum hold 7. And that gel got my hair slick. So when you have 4C hair, you run the risk of it waving up on you, which is fine. That means it's healthy, it's doing its thing. But yeah, if you want your front part slick, you got to use a thick gel. Okay, so now I'm just securing those twists with bobby pins in the back of my head. That's going to go under a wig cap. Doesn't have to be super perfect. As you can see, there goes the wig capiana. And I just use black. It really doesn't matter. You ain't going to be able to see it. And then I use this scarf to wrap around my edges to kind of make everything flat as I could. Again, I was using a lot of moisture-based products, so I had to end up going back in and trying to reflatten my hair. You'll see that a little bit later. But for now, we wrapped her up. So now, I'm going to show you the wig. This is the Outre Quick Weave in Dominican Curly. I have her in the color S1B30. There is one huge comb in the front or at the top and one huge comb at the back. There are adjustable straps in this wig. And so once I kind of let that marinate for maybe about 20 minutes or so, I took that off. And, you know, she was starting to stick, but you see what I mean? It wasn't like flat. And so then I went in with that first comb, put that in the middle of my head near the twist, and then I secured the back comb. So, of course, we can't go looking like this girl. We look crazy. Okay, so I secured the sides with some bobby pins because I look, you want to make sure she ain't going nowhere. And again, you can't see it because the sides are going to be staying down. So pulling some hair from the back and kind of on the sides, this is how you create the bun in the front over the smaller bun that we created with our natural hair. So as you can see, I'm just testing it out, seeing if I like the way it wraps, seeing if I need to pull more hair from different sides. I don't want my track showing, so you see how I kind of put some hair down so that when the bun is up, you don't see a whole bunch of that on the sides. So you really just kind of have to go in, play with it, see how you like it, see what it's hidden for. And then I'm going to secure it with some bobby pins just to make sure that, you know, she ain't going nowhere and our bun doesn't come out of place. So the goal is to just hide your natural hair and also just create a cute little bun on top. Then I went in with another scarf that gave me a little bit flatter look to secure my hair again once I put a little bit more product on there, a little bit more gel, because I wanted it flat, girl. Okay. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look, the lookiana. I think it's cute. I was skeptical at first because I have never done one of these. My hair takes forever to dry because she's so freaking thick. And I love my thick hair, but golly, sometimes I want to just hurry up and give it the program. So that's why I had to tie the scarf around again, give it some time, and then come back so it wasn't looking wet while the hair was kind of looking dry. I think it's a go. Okay, I did get this off of Amazon. Okay, I got this and another half wig. So I'm trying to experiment. Your girl is dibbling and dabbling in the half wigs. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. But I think this is so summer appropriate, so anytime appropriate. Really, they done messed up letting me figure out how to do this, because now it's gonna be really hard for me to kind of want to go in and do a whole bunch of lace and stuff. When if I'm feeling like it, I can just wear my hair like this. Super cute. So I thought it was gonna look super unnatural, but it really doesn't. And the more you mess with this hair, the bigger it gets, which I don't mind, honey, because I love big hair. This hair is just giving you lioness. It's giving you, you know, it's giving you queen of the jungle. And honestly, it's light. Like, this hair is light. It looks like it's gonna be heavy, but I can't feel nothing unless I'm, you know, feeling it sweeping across my shoulders. It is not heavy at all. So super duper great if you don't like heavy hair, but you still want that big look. I like the way the highlights are set up in the hair. This is not really a wig review. This was really me doing the whole look with the hair, but I'm just letting you know in case you were curious and you wanted to know. I really do like the color mix in this hair. I'm gonna kind of show you what it looks like from all angles. So this is the front. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm feeling myself. Here is the side. Other side. And I hope I'm not looking crazy. I did check it in my other mirror, but I'm gonna show y'all the back. If it's looking crazy in the back, just act like you don't see it, okay?
So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you did, if you have tried a half wig, if you would try this one. Let your girl know. Talk to me. Make sure you are subscribed to the Trice Tribe if you're not, because girl, at this point, you might as well. And if you are a returning member of the Trice Tribe, otherwise known as my gang, thank you so much for stopping in and popping in. It never goes unnoticed or unappreciated. I see you, baby. Also, be sure to follow me on all my socials. Everything is andthatisTrice, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok for you girls. So that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.